Hello guys, welcome to Scratch Kitchen. This is Tracy and we're going to do some Sourdough Skillet Biscuits out of this book that I shared with y'all yesterday. And let's get this done. Now, I already have 2 cups of sourdough starter in here. Let me turn you down so you can see. Spin you around a little bit. Now this is 2 cups of the sourdough starter. Now, in through here are little cup measuring. You can measure. It has the cups here. You got little lines there, so that's how I know it is exactly 2 cups. You got to be very, very precise on that when you are baking. Cooking, you can be a little more loosey-goosey. Let's see, tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. So now some recipes will still call for like baking powder with the sourdough. I'm not sure why. There's a whole science to it. I just don't have time right now to go into it. Yeah, it's been one of those afternoons. And I got Bertha going again, doing more water, trying to get more water put back. Now this has some different variations that you can do. The variation we're going to use is garlic powder and oh yeah, definitely going to use cheddar cheese. Hello, yes, definitely. You don't want to go too crazy with the garlic powder because it can be overwhelming if you're not careful. I'm going to do 2 cups of flour. Still need a cup of salt. And this starter, y'all, is from Razzle. It gave me 2 cups of starter to use. I honestly could not be happier. There's 1 cup. I need 2. Now you can't see how I'm measuring. You don't want to really pack the flour down. You won't get a really accurate measurement. Now ideally, I would put this in a container where I could just dip my little measuring cup in, and that would be that. But like I said, ideally. Now is the salt. Awesome. I just love it when everything fights with me. I have other things to do. I'm going to play around with this all night. Clean up a little bit. Close the door if I give myself a concussion. And now it's time to add the queso. Oh yes. the cheese. This is kind of like Red Lobster biscuits, Cheddar Bay biscuits. Oh, God. I'm telling you, I could go there and have salad and biscuits only. And soup. A cup of clam chowder. Oh my God. Now I'm going to mix these up, then I'll bring you back. Alright, we got this all mixed up. And now it's just time to pick and roll little biscuits. You got to put them in a well-oiled pan. That's another thing. And I'm just doing these drop style. I'm not doing anything fancy. Honestly, I got enough going on. I don't need to get fancy schmancy. I don't need it. I don't want it. You're not going to find that here, ever. We are loosey-goosey, go as we go. I'm going to put a little bit of space between them. Not a whole lot, just enough. I'm telling you, they smell like Olive Garden. You got that beer smell. You got the garlic, the salt, the cheese. Oh, my gravy. In my head, I've ate the whole pan. I mean, really, I have. That's in my head. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to eat all these. They're going to be delicious. Alright, I will bring you guys back when it's time to pull them out, taste test them, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, here is our very first sourdough baking project. Cute little biscuits. They are too adorable. I mean, so cute. Let me cut it in half again. It's nice, light, and fluffy on the inside. It's got a crustiness on the outside. And it's cast iron. Now, here's the real test. How many licks will it get of approval from Sarge? Yeah, let's see how many licks he gives it. How many little tongue licks. Alright. What you think, little guy? Six. 7. Yes, we got 7 tongue licks of approval on these biscuits. I will see you guys later, and our next baking project will be, without doubt, peanut butter cookies. One more time. Bye.